ShawnaG here, Rasta Styles Lifestyle. Glorious for life. Yo, this is what I make. Some nice soup. Let me show you. And it's really chunky. I put too much things in here. That's the time. Got sweet potatoes and pineapple. A whole bunch of stuff in here. And we also have bread to go with that. I'm just heating it up. Let's see. Yep, it's done. What can I use? Okay, so we got some bread and some soup. Here we go. Time to eat. What time is it? 10:30. Or no, it's 8:30, sorry. We're eating late. Here we go. Yummy. Yeah, this is nice and crispy. The steam coming out. It's all good. It's ready to eat now.